Good morning, all. Today we will have a small session on the digital electronics topic. My name is Rupesh Kumar. I am a lecturer in ECE, Government Polytechnic, Narayan Khed. Today I am dealing with the subject corresponding to the semester 3rd sem C21 scheme, subject code EC302, subject digital electronics. Topics related to that subject is number systems as well as basics of digital electronics. This is my introduction. Today's objectives are: on completion of this period, you will be able to learn about what is meant by octal number, conversion of octal number to decimal number as well as decimal number to octal number. Next, convert an octal number to a binary number and vice versa. Now we are recapping all the data which we learned before in previous sessions. That is, in previous session we learned about the binary numbers, what are the equivalent values of binary numbers for decimal numbers, corresponding decimal numbers. Next, which method is used to convert a decimal to binary as well as a binary to decimal. First of all, number systems are divided into many types. Here we are learning 4 types of number systems. First one, decimal number system. Second one, binary number system. Third one, octal number system. Fourth one, hexadecimal number system. Already we learned about the decimal number system, which we want to convert into the binary number system. In decimal number system, it is denoted by the base 10, it corresponding to the values from 0 to infinity. Binary values of binary number system are 2 only, that is 0 and 1. We can simply convert a decimal number into a binary number. Here I have told to you about how many digits in binary number system. There are 2 digits in binary number system. Next, already we learned about the digits in decimal system. Digits corresponding to 0 to 10. It can expand to any extent also. Next, already we learned about the what are the bases and radix of a number system, which we equals to the number of digit it uses. Binary number has only 2 digits. So, the base of a binary number system is 1 as well as 0. For that numbers, the base is equal to 2. It equals to number of digits also. The digits present in memory system are 2, that is 0, 1. So, the base is 2. In binary number system, digits are corresponding from 1 to 10. Total number of values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So, the base of a decimal number system is 10. See, the base of a decimal number system is 10. Its units uses digits from 0 to 9. The binary number system has a base of 2 and its values are 0 and 1. Today we are learning about a new type of number system, that is octal number system. An octal number system has a base of 8. An octal number system has a base of 8. That means here values present in the octal number system are 8, that is 0 to 7. 0 to 7. That it uses 8 digits. Corresponding to that 8 digits, they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 0 to 7, total 8 digits corresponding to the octal number system together constitute the base of the octal number system as 8. Okay. Next, now we are going to the conversion, decimal to octal conversion in integer values only. We may have different types of values, integers, fractions. Now we are learning about the integer values. See, here octal double, a method similar to double double is used. Simple, you do not confuse in this matter. It is a method. That method can be explained below. Please need not be confused. Here, divide the decimal number repeatedly by 8 until the quotient becomes 0. See here, first of all, whatever the decimal number we have given or we have chosen, repeatedly divide that decimal number by 8. We want to divide that decimal number repeatedly by 8 until the quotient becomes 0. Okay. For doing this conversion, we must know additions, multiplications and division. Now write down the remainders after each division. Now write down the remainders after each division. In each concept, we want to write down the remainders. Next, the remainders in reverse order form the octal number. Now we want to write that remainders from bottom to top. That constitutes the octal number. That constitutes the octal number. Here I have chosen an example corresponding to decimal conversion into octal conversion. See, problem doing is not only a concept, writing the answer is also a correct concept. See, here in question it is given that 1, 2, 3, 4 base 10 equal to dash 8. See, 10 means decimal number system, 8 means octal number system. In answer, we must represent the bases of that numbers. By that, we can judge which number is constitute to the which number system. Okay. Already we learned that any number which we want to convert into octal, we must divide that number with the 8. So now first of all, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the number. We are dividing that number with 8. 8 is nothing but, in our own words, 8 is divisor. What we are getting the output is, that is the remainder. Whatever the value corresponding to it is nothing but the quotient. Now multiplication, we want to perform the division. So 8 1s are 8. For first two digits of the number, that is 12. For difference between 8 and 12 is 4. So that 4 is taken with the next value of that number, that is 4 3. We know that 8 5s are 40. So the subtractive value is 3. 8 5s are 40. Next value is 3 4. 8 4s are 32. We get the remainder 2. Quotient is 154. Divisor is 8. Dividend is 1 2 3 4 and remainder is 2. Again we want to perform the division because quotient is not equal to 0. Now 8 1s are 8. We get the value, that 7. 7, 4. 8 9s are 72. We get the remainder as 2 and quotient as 19. Again we want to perform the division. So 8 2s are 16. We get the value that remainder is 3, quotient is 3, 2. Okay, remainder is 3 and quotient is 2. Again we want to perform the division. So 8 zeros is 0, we get the remainder as 2. Here we get the value that quotient must be equal to 0. By performing the division, we get that quotient is 0 as well as the divisor is 8, dividend is 1 2 3 4. Remainders are from bottom to top 2 3 2 2 2 3 2 2. Okay, we want to write that values from top bottom to top. Okay, so the answer is 1 2 3 4. See, 1 2 3 4 base 10 equal to 2 3 2 2 base 8. We must write that answer in like that way only. If we not represent that base values, we will lose a mark of half, or it might be equivalent to 1 also. Okay, please be careful and be copy the problem in your answer book also. Okay, please return that and check the quotient, remainder as well as divisor, dividend values also. If any problem you observe, please inform me. Okay, thank you. Next question. Now again we have a decimal equivalent of integer value only, that is 175. We want to convert into the octal number. See, we want to perform that operation with the help of the octal number 8. So 8 2s are 16. We get the value that 1 1 5. 8 1s are 1, 8 1s are 8. We get the value 7. Remainder is 7. Quotient is 21. We want to perform again divided, divisor, quotient and remainder. So 8 2s are 16. We get the value that 5. Remainder is 5. Quotient is 2. We must be do that quotient is equal to 0. So again we want to perform the division. Then we get 8 0 0, remainder is 2. Now the value corresponding to the decimal value 175 is 257. 175 base 10 equal to 257 base 8. See, note down that question also and answer also. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Please make a note of it. You will lose marks only in the result only. You will perform each and everything correctly and likely, but by placing the radix or base values in the result, you will get correct score. If you don't kept that one, you will lose marks. Okay, next one. Now we are performing these conversions for fractions. With decimal fractions, multiply by 8 instead of divide. Write the carry into integer position. See, clearly observe the words present on the PPT. With decimal fractions, multiply by 8 instead of divide. Write the carry into integer position. We want to perform the multiplication here, and whatever we multiplied with that one, we want to write that integer value in the carry position. Okay, it is the single motto for this fractions conversion. Okay, here I have taken a example for that. Decimal value 0.23 into an octal fraction. Next, see, I am multiplying the given value with 8. 0.23 into 8, that equal to 1.84 we are taking the integer value. Here for 1.84 integer value is 1. So we are taking it into the carry value with a carry 1. Next, whatever the output we have gotten from that multiplication, that is taken in second line, that is 0.84 into 8. We get the value that 6.72. Here in 6.72 integer is 6. We are taking that value to the carry. We get the value that 0.72. Again we want to perform the multiplication. So 0.72 into 8, that equal to 5.76, that is 0.76 with a carry 5. Next, hence the octal fraction is, we want to write each and every value. So here 0.165. In previous we are writing the values from bottom to top. In this fraction we want to write the value from top to bottom. Okay, we want to clearly know these values. In integers we want to write the values answer in the bottom to top fashion. For fractions we want to write the values in top to bottom fashion. Okay, please make a note of it. See, answer we want to write like this: 0.23 base 10 equal to 0.168 base 8. We want to place base compulsorily. Okay, please make a note of it. Now, octal to decimal conversion. In previous slides we performed the conversion of decimal to octal. Now we are changing the conversion from octal to decimal. We are taking the octal value, we are converting that octal value into the decimal value. In octal number system, each digit position corresponding to the power of 8 as follows. In octal number system, each digit position corresponding to the power of 8 as follows. Okay, in before slides we are doing the division operation. In this we are performing the multiplication corresponding to the powers of 8. Okay, with the help of the digit positions. Position of the digit is must. Okay, see, from integer as well as, here I have taken the integer values as well as the fraction values. Integer values are, that is placed on the dot right side, and fraction values are kept at the dot left side. Okay, in right side we are taking that 8 power 0, 8 power 1, 8 power 2, 8 power 3. In left side we are taking that 8 power minus 3, 8 power minus 2, 8 power minus 1. I have written correctly, but here some changes are there. Please make a note of it. Here we want to write the values that 8 power minus 3, 8 power minus 2 and 8 power minus 1. Okay, 8 power 3, 8 power 2, 8 power 1, 8 power 0. Point afterwards, that is 8 power minus 1, 8 power minus 2, 8 power minus 3. These changings also happen. Please make a correct of it. Therefore, to convert from octal to decimal, multiply each octal digit by its weight and add the products. Here we want to convert the octal to decimal. Multiply each octal digit by its weight and add the products. Okay. Here I am converting octal number 23 to decimal as follows. Please make a note of it. Please do the conversion. Here there are two values for two numbers are there is 2, 3. The weights for that numbers are, or units for that numbers are, for 3 it is in units place and 2 it is in tens place. The weight for units place is 0 and for tens place is 1. So 2 into 8 power 1 plus 3 into 8 power 0 equal to 16 plus 3 equal to 19. 2 into 8 power 1 plus 3 into 8 power 0 equal to 16 plus 3, that is equal to 9. Now we want to write the base also here. See, 23 base 8 equal to 19 base 10. 23 base 8 equal to 19 base 10. Okay. Now we are doing that values to the fractional part also. Convert the octal number 0.28 into decimal. See here, fractional part is to the left of the dot. So 2 into 8 power minus 1. See, please make a note of it. Here some changes happen by projecting in the mobile phone as well as the system. So please make a note of it. Here okay, 2 into 8 power minus 1 into 8 into 8 power minus 2. Some disturbance is there. Please make a note of it. Next, 2 into 8 power minus 1 is converted into 2 into 1 by 8 plus 8 into 1 by 8 square. We know that 8 power 1 equal to 8 and 8 square equal to 64. So 2 into 1 by 8 plus 8 into 1 by 64. Now 2 by 8 plus 8 by 64. We can take it as 0.25 plus 0.125. We get the value that 0.375. That result can be noted as, see, 0.28 base 8 equal to 0.375 base 10. 0.28 base 8 equal to 0.375 base 10. Now we are going for another conversion, that is octal to binary conversion. Octal to binary conversion. See, here replace each octal digit by its 3-bit binary equivalent. Already we learned in the previous classes. Here we want to insert that values here. Replace each octal digit by its 3-bit digital equivalent. The octal digits and 3-bit binary equivalent can be known here. Here see, for octal digit 0, we can write the values in binary form is, already we learned that 8421 code. Here we are taking 3-bit code. So we are taking the 421 code. 421 code. The 421 also came from the binary values only. We know that 2 power 0 equal to 1, 2 power 1 equal to 2, 2 power 2 equal to 4. See, 2 power 2 means 4, 2 power 1 means 2, 2 power 0 is 1. See, 421 code. Simple. We must have a logic in it. Okay. For 0, the binary value is 0, 0, 0. For 1, 0, 0, 1. For 2, 0, 1, 0. For 3, 0, 1, 1. For 4, 1, 0, 0. For 5, 1, 0, 1. 6, 1, 1, 0. 7, 1, 1, 1. Simple one. We must know the code values, that is 421 code. For that, for getting the value of 0, we want to make all the 3 codes equal to 0. 4 equal to 0, 2 equal to 0, 1 equal to 0. We get the value of 0. Now for the value of 1, okay, for the value of 1, we must make 4 value equal to 0, 2 value equal to 0, and we make 1 value as 1. So the value of 1 is 0, 0, 1. For 2, you want to place 1 and other values are equal to 0. So 0, 1, 0. For 3, you want to add 2 values. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. So 4 equal to 0, 2 is 1, 1 is 1. 0, 1, 1. For 4, you want to place 1 in place for and other values are 0. So 1, 0, 0. For 5, you want to place 1 in fourth place and 1 in first place. 2 is equal to 0. So 1 0 1. 6 means 1 1 0. 7 means 1 1 1. Okay. Next. Convert octal 736 into binary. Octal 736 into binary. Already we learned about the decimal to octal conversion and decimal to octal and octal to decimal. Today we learn about the octal to binary conversion. Here I have taken the octal number 736. You want to convert that 736 into binary values. We already know that binary values are zeros and ones. We have make a table also for 0 to 7 values. 0 is 0 0 0, 1 is 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 2 is 0 1 0, 3 is 0 1 1, 4 is 1 0 0, 5 is 1 0 1, 6 is 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 7 is 1 1 1. Okay, we are taking the corresponding values of that in this problem. Okay, 3-bit equivalents are placed here. For 7 it is 1 1 1, for 3 is 0 1 1, for 6 is 1 1 0. We want to write the answer like this: 736 base 8 equal to 111 0 1 1 1 1 0 base 2. We want to kept bracket and we should write the base also. We should write the base also. Okay, please make a note of it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me at the last of this session. Okay, at the last we have query session. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in that. Please make a note of this problem in your notebook. Also note the doubts you have erased in this session also. You can ask it in last. By now we have completed octal to binary. Now binary to octal conversion. Simple one also it is. The binary number is converted into groups of 3 bits each, starting at binary point. Here we are doing octal to binary. In that we are taking 3-bit values. So in binary to octal also we want to make from starting to last. We want to make the 3 bits in a group. Then we get a octal conversion. Make group of 3 bits starting from binary point and moving towards left for integer part. Making groups of 3 bits starting from binary part and moving towards right for fractional part. Here left in integer part and right in fractional part. And if any necessary, add zeros to the left of integer and right of the fractional part wherever necessary. If you have any lack of values, we can add in integer in the left values as zeros and fractional right values as zeros wherever necessary. Replace each group of 3 bits by its octal digit. We want to write for each group a octal digit. Okay. Now for example we are taking this value, that is 1001111.11 base 2 to its octal value. Now given number is grouped into 3 bits as. We want to do for integer part from left to right, for fractional part right to left. Okay, we are grouping the values that 111, 001 and 1.11. Here starting value 1 has no 3 values, so we can write the zeros in left side. By adding zeros on left side, the same can be written as 001, 001, 111 point, and in the right also we have 1 1 only, so we can add 1 0, 1 1 0. Okay. Now we want to write the corresponding octal values for binary values. 001 is 1, 001 is 1. We know that 111 is 7 and 110 is 6. 110 is 6. Is 6. Okay. Please make a note of it and write the answer like this: 100.1111.11 base 2 equal to 117.6 base 8. Okay, please make a note of it. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in the last session. Okay, completed. Okay. Example: convert this one 0.101001110 base 2 to its equivalent octal number. See, in previous problem I have given long integer and short fraction. Here in this problem I have given short integer and long fraction. Okay, I have designed different problems for different concepts. Please make a note of it and learn it quickly. See, now I convert that values in fraction in from right to left. Okay, that is 101 in one group, 001 in one group, and 100 is another group. Okay, now I am writing the values corresponding to that binary to octal. So 101, we know that 101 is 5, 001 is 1, 100 is 4. So corresponding answer is 0.1010010 base 2 equal to 0.514 base 2. 0.514 base 2. Please make a note of it. It is another type of problem. It does not resemble the previous problem. In that integer value is high, here fractional part is high. Fractional value is high. Okay, completed. Next, here I have given a table corresponding to binary, decimal and octal values. Binary, decimal and octal values. Please make a note of it. For 0, binary value is 000, octal value is 0. For 1, 001, octal value is 1. For 2, 010, octal value is 2. For 3, 011, octal value is 3. For 4, 100, octal value is 4. For 5, 101, octal value 5. For 6, 110, octal value 6. For 7, 111, octal value 7. For 8, 1000, octal value is 10. For 9, 1001, octal value is 11. For 10, 1012, octal value is 12. See, up to 7 values, octal values are 0 to 7. After 7, it is 10, 11, 12, 13. Afterwards 17, we can change it to 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Please make a note of it. It must be known to you in each and every fashion. Okay. See, first of all, binary values are also in 3-bit fashion. From 8, it is converted into 4-bit fashion. For octal, it is code is 4 to 1. For decimal, for hexadecimal, it is 8421 code. We came to a conclusion that here summary has given whatever the learned in our previous slides. We have discussed about the octal number system. See, octal positional weights must be taken for converting into the decimal digits. Decimal repeatedly divided by 8, we get the octal value. For octal to binary, we want to make groups of 3 bits for making the binary value. It is a summary for this session. Here I have make a quiz for you for easy glance of the answers. How many digits are there in octal system? Can anybody tell? Yes, it is the value that answer is 8. How many digits are there in octal system? It is 8. Good. Next, what is the base of the number in the octal system? What is the base? Already we have seen first one. In that, how many values are there? 8. So base is also 8. Third one, what is the octal equivalent of decimal 8? See, here we want to perform the octal equivalent of decimal 8. We want to do conversion. Already you know the conversion for making 8, that is 8 can be divided by 8. We get the value that 8 1s are 8, quotient is 8, quotient is 1 and output is 0. Next, we want to perform the division. 8 0s are 0, we get the output 1 and quotient is 0. We want to write from bottom to top. So, value is 1 0. Here also answer is 1 0. Okay, correct. Now, what is the decimal equivalent of octal number? 12. For 12, we want to perform the decimal equivalent. We already know. We want to know the positional weights. For 2, it is 0 and 1, it is 1. So, 1 into 8 power 1 plus 2 into 8 power 0. That is 8 plus 2, that equal to 10. Here in the answers also we have the value 10. See, okay, it is correct. Please, you want to do your work in rough only, then we can easily get the values. Okay. Next, in exams also there are some different frequently asked questions are there. You want to make a note of it. Please make a note of it. Convert decimal 247 into octal. Convert 3267.5198 decimal into octal. Convert 306.25 octal into decimal. Convert 22.74 into decimal. Next, convert 765.31 octal into binary. Convert 110.111.01.1 binary to octal. Okay. See, please make a note of these questions and complete and submit in the next class as assignment. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. It is the query session. You can ask in this also, frequently asked questions also. Okay. See, you by seeing the above questions, you can ask a doubt. That is, here he doesn't mention the what he doesn't mention. Doesn't mention the base values of the numbers, but he mentioned the word, that is decimal 247. Value decimal, value octal, value octal, value octal, value binary. We can written like this also. If you have any confusion, you can write this like also in answer. Okay. First of all, for decimal it is 10, for octal it is 8, for binary it is 2. You must remember this one. Okay. What are the values present in binary? 0 and 1. For octal, 0 to 7. For decimal, 0 to 9. Basis for 3 number systems. For binary 2, octal 8, decimal 10. Values present for 3 binary systems, number systems. For binary, values are 2. For octal, values are 3. Values are 7. For decimal, values are 10. Okay. Please have a glance of the previous topics. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. Can ask from anything in any matter also. Otherwise, I have conclude this session. Okay, or else you can see the problems also one time. If you have any doubt in that problems, you can ask me. Any particular part also you can ask me. I am here to justify or clear your doubts only. Please be free and conclude this session. Okay. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. In this problem, you have any doubt? If you have any noting problem also, I will send this PPT to you. You can go through it. Most members will do problems or mistakes in fractions only. Please practice in your home. If you have any doubts, you can clarify in next session also. I have no objection in this matter. But you must go through the each and every topic which I have given to you. If you have any doubt or any mistakes I have told to you also, you can remember me in the next session. Okay, you must learn identities, next laws, distributive law, associative law, which we learn in maths. You must know the tables also, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, for easily grasping of digital electronics. Okay. The tables I have given to you, two tables also most important. If you have any doubt in the tables also, you can ask. You may ask also. Please check and complete that assignment by tomorrow.